Central Land is still more like a game, is it? Although it's built on.
I think the more like game is Roblox. Decentraland is trying to become a society, so that's why they run a lot of events on Decentraland. But Roblox is really game platform, but they also have like a social platform like that. Yeah, but no, I'm not study the sandbox yet. So I think sandbox is also similar to the Decentraland. I'm not sure. Let's whoa.
Yeah, Miro is also a bit familiar for me because usually I'm using between Miro and Jamboard, but Jamboard is too basic. I mean, Miro has more, tools and features.
Yeah. Yes. And it has much more function in the paid version, actually. It really has a lot of different function. Oh, and if you want to add, you can also add text on the connecting line. Like when you press the, you can click the connecting line, and then there will be an here a text, insert the text button here, and then when you press it, you can insert the text here. Yeah, let me remove that. And also, if you want to insert another object here, you can also click the line and click the insert shape, and then you can insert another shape between. I mean in the middle of the line.
Sean, I think the link that you sent us is still not working to me. I don't know, maybe I start to log in on my registers Miro, but it still not work. But it's okay. I gonna look at from your live on your share screen.
Okay, just a little bit. Well, yeah.
No worry. It's just watching every.
So you cannot. I mean, you cannot log in, or you already log in, but you cannot use.
I have my another account that is from another project, but I still cannot refresh. I don't know. Maybe that's problem. But anyway, no worry. I can look from your share screen.
Any block you want to add onto the map, I can add for you.
no need, no worry. So it's okay. Because I know this program for so far.
What's Second Life? It's also some program like.
It's a game. Like
it's a game.
And I've known like a few artists who had residencies there. Interesting, pre-pandemic, before the pandemic. Just interesting.
Yeah, the Second Life is very interesting because it's run years. It's a years game, and now it's still running. And they also have their own incoming system, so you can like build a land like a central land. So I think it's more like central land ideas. Maybe it's before central land. Yeah.
Okay.
And
why the picture of it looks so similar to like Sims, like the Sims.
I think because they're based on the same concept. Trying to use the virtual avatar to start a second life that you cannot run in your real life. So it's again like the same. Yeah, but the tools or the connection is more like a they can do more than the things. Yeah, they can create, and you can put what your creators in the second life game world. So it's very creative game. Mm.
想要写一个，但我发现我不知道怎么写。我发现我有点，那整个有点drown out，就是英文如果要写说它不受，就是如果说在 online 就是 online residency 的 participant， 它不会受到国籍的限制，就是可能不会受到国家的那叫人叫什么啊？那个应该怎么讲
？Nation
就是我想不起来那个词，应该我连中文都忘记，那应该叫什么？
Nationless. No.
Okay, maybe I can ask Catherine. You know, like, okay, I'm trying to put the word for the participant for like when when you are doing online residency, and like the participant can, sometimes between different country they will have some like policy for the like certain country that you're not allowed to like going to the country or have some kind of restriction, but like if you're online, like it's basically open to everyone. Like what the word for that kind of like unlimited situation, like beyond, I don't know. I'm thinking, I don't know what.
I'll try my best.
It means something like no border.
Yeah, but that it might make sense to you, like.
Yeah, that's. I'm sorry, my brain isn't working properly.
That's too late. Okay. Okay, maybe you say beyond border limitation.
Or maybe
borderless.
Oh.
Or maybe more into
like travel restrictions and
without travel, yeah.
With the fact of COVID, no.
Yeah, I think that's important because some countries have, like a list of countries they can accept people because of COVID. I'm sure Philippines is one of those countries.
Yeah, like I still remember first time when I had when Dara had the residency at OCAC. It was so difficult to get his visa. Like right, Dara? I think
what?
It's like when you first time did the residency project as OCAC. I think you spend like
Yes.
1 week or something to get the visa.
This was during COVID.
Not during COVID.
Not during COVID.
Yeah,
Because
it
I
was
think
like
I went to residency in 2016 in Taiwan.
16, yes.
So what is the question? Sorry.
No, we are just
Travel restrictions.
Yeah, travel restrictions.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Oh my God, everyone is like moving around on the map. I like starting to watch everyone doing. I now it's looking already, but it's still looking everyone doing. So maybe Sean, you can share those link. I can watch this link later on.
Okay.
And how
Yeah.
to, yeah.
Because
That
I
link is
see
like
you
a video.
already here, but yeah,
Yeah, I mean
I
that
see
now
you
I just
already in
looking
the
everyone. Yeah, I know, but I just watching everyone to do some stuff and just rearrange those things out. So I'm gonna see that later on. I can see those everyone is gonna moving around now.
Okay.
Sorry, today I'm not really focused much because my niece is getting the COVID now.
Your sister? You said your sister?
No, my niece.
Niece.
Oh no.
Oh no.
It's okay. So like four of us in the family getting go have those experience already.
But how now? In
Yeah.
quarantine hospital.
He need to quarantine. No, we gonna stay just at the house and at home and then just recover from home because we use this experience for another 3 people from the family stay in the hospital already. So we know the medicine and everything how to cover all those things out. So it just only I need to send some document to him for the medicine or some stuff. But anyway, it's okay. Okay.
But there is no heavy symptoms.
As long as you realize.
Oh.
I think my internet is slow today. My Wi-Fi is not work.
Sean, how can I just copy others' blog?
If you want to copy it, the simple is the copy and paste. I mean, Control C and Control V. But the fast ways, you can press the Alt button on your keyboard, and then drag the target that you want to copy.
Oh, okay. Could I try Control C and Control V, but it's not okay? Maybe I try it again. I'll try.
I think it's
Yeah,
work.
it
I
works.
Control C and Control V is work. I just
It's
copy
not
paste.
Why it's not working for me? Okay.
You are using Mac, right?
Yeah, I'm using Mac. Yes.
Then you have to press Command C and Command.
Yeah. Command C. Yeah.
Huh? But it doesn't work.
Yeah, like you see, I cancel someone's text.
Like for example, I copy the TikTok and then I just pass the TikTok. Did you everyone see it? So yeah. I just copy paste.
But it's not
I have no idea. I have no idea why it doesn't work for you.
But I think the Mac can do the copy paste because I use Mac too. Hey Sean, what do you think about the GitHub? Is that sources?
I think it can be both the sources and
platform. Right, that's what I think.
Yeah. I think it can be both. Yeah,
Who
you
wrote
already,
the without travel
you already played it?
restriction?
Not yet. I'm trying to put it, but I'm trying to
3D
find a good
model
position.
database.
Yeah, let's Sketchfab. Yeah.
Đây nè, đến David ơi, mới riêng đó. Map website, nó phải cái nó còn phụ mình nữa thôi. Hả? Phải làm mau cái chuyện. Đấy chứ. Nó bay rồi. Tiếp chấp ấy. Bấm tí cần bấm tí chứ. Okay. This is platform social media switches. Ngọt trong bị chỗ tem đó lấy miệng ăn đòn mèo lệnh. Nơi mùi Covid mà tật chia hai bên ấy hồng.
Sean is organizing the mess of everyone.
Just trying to like
organizing everything.
For me, I didn't do anything, just watch Sean doing organizing. So không bật video. So sorry, I was in the room together with my nephew and my niece. Maybe something a little bit voicing around observed, but it's okay. And well,
how old are they?
No, they already finished university and work now. Oh. It's like around after than 20. Who writing without travel restrictions? That is interesting word.
Oh, well, I already placed a GitHub.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I place it in the platform side and has a connection between source.
Okay. I think Thingiverse is already disappeared, or they are bought by another company. Yeah, because they are like stuff to update in recent years. I heard the news. Yeah. 他们被收购。
可是它还是在那个 MakerBot， 它还是放 MakerBot。
好吧。
I have no idea.
Anyways, but there still have some others can download. I know this.
Okay, I think we already have a really big mind mapping here, and yeah, everyone knows how to use this software. It's really nice.
I used it before for my my presentation.
This is the first time that I've used this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But you use it very well.
Very bad at technology.
You have talent. That's nice.
Okay, now it's already 10:40 in Taiwan time. Anyone want to explain something that you place and you think it's worth to explain?
I can say something. I think this is most important in
yes,
online.
There's a really big stable internet.
Yeah. And I think Dara knows this very much tonight. Yeah.
I was wondering.
Without this, this blog doesn't mean nothing. It means nothing if without a stable internet.
Agree.
Yeah. So maybe I should do something like this. I would like this.
Come on, it's too big.
The old ideas. Yeah, I think that should be the background, but I can change the color.
Yes.
I agree.
I think it's good because I love
the
yellow
color,
anyways.
like this one. Yeah, not that.
Maybe a little bit more lighter.
Yeah, like yellow make you feel more urgent.
Urgent? Oh, really? Actually, at first I tried to use like red and like very emergency way, but I think it's too emergency, feeling too emergency to like. Yeah, so maybe like this. It's okay. We know this.
Soft.
Yeah.
The most important element in the mind map.
Yes.
The color.
Maybe we can change it to a cute pink.
Yeah.
With the red text.
Yeah. And we don't need the outline. Yeah. Something like this.
Anything else?
I want to ask about this. The JSTOR. What's JSTOR?
JSTOR here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is first
like
word.
Online source for academic articles, and you can access. I think you can access it for free, but you can also subscribe. But if you access it for free, you can like access like 100 articles a month online. So like whenever like I do some research, I also go there.
Oh,
Just so you know, like I could make sure that like the sources are sort of legitimate.
to bring from
Then I want to add another one is archive.org.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Org.
Ô tí tiết là cụi một đi phải rồi.
E-books, academy paper.
Stable internet.
It's a background word.
Okay.
Maybe I can write it here.
What is mean without trouble restrictions?
On relearning URL shadow library. Sorry, I don't know what does it mean.
I also put that there. So it's an online source. It's sort of like a library, guerrilla library put up by someone from Manila, where he invited artists to put up, like their PDFs or books in one Google Drive. So it's like a library put up by a community, and it's
Nice.
but it's nice.
Cool.
I can link it up, and then
It used
place.
Yeah,
place it on the github.io.
It's in the link, and then if you can see like the folders, they don't have like the names of the contributors, so to protect their identity as well.
Okay, maybe Sherry, you want to do you have anything you want to talk to share?
I just add the item that organizers, because I kind of feel that is quite important. Like who is like organizing everything that and to make everything happen in time. And so I was like, I was imagining that if we want to do an like a artist residency, because from my previous experience for the physical residency, that when you're traveling to another area, that you will need a lot of help in your living. But when we're not traveling, we don't really need to like help artists to do that. But probably we need to provide some other technical support and also the mental support. And I was thinking that probably the medical support, because it's kind of for like now we are doing a gathering, but actually we are like making everyone like sit in front of the laptop for like 2 to 3 hours, and our eyes just keep our eyes on the computer. So I kind of feel like it's hurting our health. But but I was thinking that probably if we can like we can fix this, to solve this problem through some, I don't know, like through some little activities that could be or we can teach everyone like how to take care of yourself during under this situation. It could be like, I don't know. Yeah, and
like now we have a lot of online yoga class or
online
online yoga.
Well, Sherry, actually, I noticed that now, like when I think I'm not sure which meeting platform, but after you end the meeting, it will directly pop up at like, let's do some yoga, and then they will provide an online yoga class. I forgot which meeting room platform, but yeah. I think maybe Google Meet.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool. And I was thinking that probably in the future or like if we want to do an online residency, we will need a technician or engineer or the designer that can provide the more like a comfortable experience, like when we are like exchange our idea online. So like just to decrease the time that we explore by ourselves. Yeah. And also
someone like Sean.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sean.
Thank you,
Sean.
And also some like most important thing is the budget. Like we still, because we still need the research fee and also the money for to reach a platform and our hardware and software. So the budget is like we need to find some more potential funders that can see like who has an insight or who can see the potential of an online residency. And because when they feel it's important, they will put it in their program, like CSR program or the government support, and they will know how to support this program because it's quite important.
Can I pay in cryptocurrency?
Yeah.
That'll be cool. Like that. That'll be cool. I only need $1. Only one Bitcoin.
Yeah. This could be
if they can be like 1 Bitcoin, I would be
one
like,
Bitcoin
wow,
is
really
big.
nice. Very big.
Bitcoin.
Yeah. Not sure, but that's my research project also trying to mention that. But you know the high and the low. So if I receive 1 Bitcoin today, maybe tomorrow you become like 100. Yeah. So
There's a joke actually. There's a joke.
Of
It's
course, of course.
Like the father just told his son that what's the joke? It's like
What is the joke?
it's
That
like
is
so now you want to buy this $200 chicken, or but what's the joke?
This is a joke.
It's
okay, you can think about
you,
a joke. You think about it, and I want to say, like, I heard, when I do my research, I heard like 5 years ago, in American university, the class is trying to talk about the trend block and the cryptocurrency, and in the class, if you answer the professor's question, if you are correct, you will like be given 0.1 Bitcoin 5 years ago. Yeah, so now it's huge.
Yeah.
you know,
Now
10
it's
years
huge.
ago, the StarCraft, the championship of the StarCraft, the first place of the championship, you will get $100,000 US dollar, I remember it's $100 US dollar. But if you are like 5 to 8 place of the championship, you will get 5 Bitcoin.
I want to buy Bitcoin now. I would choose that. I don't want to be.
Yeah, so if you got the 5th place in that challenge, now you already become a billionaire.
Yeah, but that is online trade now, just happening now. So we don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe next week, next month, next year. No one knows. Yeah, I wish the online residency, the government will know as to pay the cryptocurrency. That would be really nice. I will apply.
Yeah, we just mentioned the digital health, and for me, because I'm a programmer, and I believe most of the programmers just do it the same, is that we change everything into dark mode. I think it really worked, because now even Google has the dark mode.
Yeah,
but it looks really well. I think it looks really bad, but it has dark mode. So yeah, for me, like my cell phone, my laptop, my desktop, everything, and all the software, I change all of them into dark mode. Yeah, and yeah, I think really help. Okay, I think today's practice and this week's Monday Survival Kit is we will end it here. And anything else Sherry have to say to others?
But actually, I really want to ask a question. It's on the right side, the extension. On the right.
Let's I add it.
Yeah.
Because during these 3 weeks, actually, I think that there's like a very big topic we're always facing into is technology or digital gap, and how to hand out online. Because before today's meeting, well, I had a personal short meeting, so we're like Esther, Sherry, and Jalan and Sean. Because every time we are doing online events, actually we are some kind of working meeting. Because we are doing the physical residency, actually we are more relaxed, more kind of hand out. We are talking about our publication, or we're thinking not like really working. We always have a topic and trying to during this 1 hour and keep discussing. So so kind of a little bit exhausting, but I think that's why I think that's important question, how to hand out online, not like working meeting. And because we are from a different country, we have a technology gap and digital net, like today you have some Wi-Fi and unstable things, so they will like struggle to hang out online. So that's my extension question. So that's why I'm doing another side. Yeah, so we can keep these questions, and during this online residency we can think about that. Yeah,
I think we can also
it's
place
nice.
the digital health here. I think it's the
yeah,
same.
yeah,
Yeah. Yes.
It's nice.
Also important here.
yeah.
Because like I could share some experience, because like maybe in Southeast Asia that Sasa Abhijit got invited to join the Documenta 15 in Berlin.
Yeah.
And then right now is some of the collective in some different group that we combine together with those things out. So they will be do some of the event, but it's not in the art community as we discussed about the project. But we arrange as we call like dinner and discussion and about the gathering of the drinking cocktail. So that is it's not a part of the work, but we just only hang out and discussing about this thing. So that is very nice. And digital health is quite nice because I was doing online yoga class for like 3 months.
Oh.
Oh, really? Yeah,
Kindly,
actually,
yes. Okay.
I have a very curious about the online like physical lessons, because the coach cannot like tell you your pose is right or not, and I'm very bad at yoga. So when I'm trying to join the online class, I just feel I'm like handicapped.
It's a bit difficult even me.
in my room, and I don't know why I'm doing this in my room.
Yeah. But sometimes I just doing alone myself as well, because I just have the link from my teachers. So yeah.
But
I can send you some of the link. Yeah.
Okay, but I want to ask you, like when you're doing online yoga, is you doing the physical yoga before with the teacher, and because of COVID-19 it turned on online yoga, or you start at online yoga first? Yeah, because
I start normal yoga first.
Okay, so you know.
I go to the club, so.
Nice.
And then after that is during of the pandemic, so we have to do by online. But actually online is the concept is because Phnom Penh capital city was locked down for more than nearly 3 months. That's why we have that project is called gathering of the artists and organization in Cambodian that is quite boring, but they don't know what they're doing something. So that is a program for digital health to do the for the yoga. So in the early morning around I think around 8 a.m. in the morning, and then after that everyone can start work. So something like this. I'm not really good experience in yoga, but still like basically doing some stuff. But I like meditation yoga before I sleep.
That's nice. Because when I trying to join the online class, the teacher says breathe, and I don't, and then my internet is unstable, and I'm like doing a really deep breath, and I don't know it's freeze or not. So, when can I like breathe again? And then I find the teacher is just freeze. Oh no. So yeah, because I don't know yoga, I don't know, so I just trying to, when the COVID-19 everyone have to stay in room, so I'm trying to do something good to healthy, so that's why, and I feel failed.
But you know,
we can do digital health one day.
Yeah.
Later.
Yeah, that'll be
also like
good.
maybe something another, like how to hang out together or something. That is also better. Don't think about work too much sometimes.
Yes.